Part 4.
Ano yun? Ay, ano pala? Ay, paalis kami pala. Uy, be. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Ano ka sabi?
What the?
You're going somewhere with mom and dad and Ella, remember?
Okay.
Let's go.
Wait lang.
Mom, Dad,
Good
wake
morning!
up!
Nagising din yung
Wow,
bata.
wow, wow, wow!
Ito, wag na. Tapos, parang kang Tuto Gino yung kinakagat mo. Yung meron pang laman na Tuto.
What? We're going somewhere, right? Yes. I need to go make breakfast, okay? Alright. Take care of Bella. Wake up your dad.
Ano to ba kay Black?
One second. Shut up. Nag-make daw siya mga ano.
Dad. Ako daw mo tagabantay ng bata.
Ay, dalawa. Okay, I'll go help. Only
Sis-
help.
Wait ka dito tayo, maglalaro daw. Huwag mo sila palutuin.
Papalutuin ko siya.
Hindi ko na dadalhin yan. Ang pogi naman ang dad niya. Ayan na.
Okay.
Anong oras na daw?
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede!
Hindi, anong oras daw? Anong oras na lang dito?
Hindi ko alam, malay ko.
What's your name? Just a baby, you'll do the same. I will gonna cook egg.
Okay.
Because Julie love egg. I mean, ano mo?
Patricia!
Patricia.
Felicia!
Felicia.
Felicia!
Felicia. I mean, Felicia love egg.
Ay, kakat ko na lang yan.
Naluluto siya, oh. Naluluto po siya. Ano ba yung magic mo? This is the pumpkin cook. With no fire. Ay, my God. Sabi na yung ano, plato. Ay, plato. Naglagay na akong milk. Isa lang.
Edi wow.
This milk, I put.
Cake.
Tapos birthday ka. Kailan, ngayon daw birthday ka na.
That's why pupunta daw tayo.
Tapos daw pumunta daw ka. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Tapos, binuwang ka daw yung nabulong.
Bilisan mo na! Get faster. I'm going to make that cake. Give me that. Give me that.
Punta na daw sana ako kasi tinago mo yung cake. She's so cute! She's so cute!
Ang cute niya. Ay.
That's so weird.
Ay. Ay, huwag ka pala.
May narinig daw ako, ha? Can I
Wala yun. Wala yun! Wala. Nothing.
Uy, yung dapat may laruan siya.
Luto niyo na.
May laruan siya.
Find. Gago. Sis, give this to her.
Okay, just gonna put this back. Ay, nasa akin pa pala to. No, wait lang. Tanggalin ko yung hat ko.
Ay, hindi pa rin tapos yung egg.
Egg.
Ay, cake.
Gonna cook. Ikaw na, boys.
I'm gonna cook some more egg.
Ako na lang pala. Meron akong alam nun dati. Hindi yan ah. Pagbalik. Meron akong alam eh. Ano yung ulit ito? Anong make ko ulit ito? Yung parang cake din siya, kaso ano? Ay! Naging
Ano to, rice?
Oo.
Tapos sugar.
Yung cake.
Anong cake?
Yung isang pang cake, hindi yung ganyan, yung isa pa. Yung rainbow. So, time to let's go. Okay, time to decorate the cake. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Pwede na sunog yan. Ay, boiled egg. Bakit yan?
Sarap.
Huwag na, ang pangit ito. We don't have candle. We don't have candle.
Huwag mo pansinin. Mom, where do I put the cake?
Kuha tayo dito. Dapat lagyan mo sa plato. Hinahawakan mo lang. Ah, okay.
Just hide it somewhere in the fridge. Okay.
Hindi nakakasya. O-open ko na daw sana yung fridge kasi gusto kong milk. Kala ko daw dito. Pinapatulog ko to daw. Sorry.
Where are you gonna get?
Milk.
Come on. Here?
Not milk for the baby, for me. Ano ito ka na ito nakita?
Oh, there. Here, milk.
Tere-ref ko to. What
Where
is
are
in here? Munti ko na ito makita. Okay, so baby. Baby.
I forgot the cup.
I get the wheel. Twisting and turning. Twisting and turning. Run. Tira mo. Run. Twisting and turning. Deal.
That was close.
Dito na lang ako sa baba.
Really? So, when are we gonna leave? Later.
Tapos na ako. Hi Dad, good morning.
Morning.
Ako na kayo dyan sa babi. Ren.
Huwag na. You're gonna go somewhere, okay?
Sure.
Get dressed.
Okay. Sis naman. Sure.
Hey, baby. Don't cry. Shut your mouth.
Ang init. Ano sabi mo?
Stay down. Shut your mouth.
Bad word ba yun?
Hindi. Shut your mouth and rub me like a river. Where is my bag? Okay. Where's my other bag? Okay. Close
I'm gonna
that.
wear this.
Opened it. Okay, then. Naglalag ulit? Can I borrow some clothes?
Sure. Anong clothes? Ang gulo mo naman.
scared. Come on, you think forever. Ready? I'm just late, please. Alright, let's already this. Mom? Yeah. Did Daddy and Blue ready? It's right, close to here. Yes. Why are you the best? Why are you rich? 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 Because you work very hard. Okay, because Daddy school and school and school. Yes. So you have a wife and Daddy director. I'm a principal. Yeah. Why Daddy is mayor here? Because you work very hard. Okay. Daddy has work. You. What are you bottle? What are you? So,
Who's that? Excuse me, wait.
yes.
Yeah? Miss ako daw. Tomorrow, it's half tornado.
Wait. What?
So go packing now. We're gonna cancel the out.
But it's Patricia's birthday. I know, but there's a tornado.
Ang sakit ang mga paak. Don't worry, baby. It will be okay. Hindi mo na ako nahiya.
Tapos sabi ko, tapos kagawad natin.
Tornado na buka.
Come on.
Let's get faster. Gonna packing muna.
Let's quickly pack. Are you going to come with us? Yeah, we can.
Let's pack. Oh my gosh. I think God. Sis,
What?
magka-cancel yung out natin.
I think.
No, ma. Ito, natapos ko na daw. Okay na to.
What about our stuff in the...
Okay na yan. Hindi naman malilindol yan.
Malilindol to!
Hindi yan.
Malilindol!
Hindi man papasok sa bahay natin yan. Yung malilindulin yan.
Okay,
Tapos na daw ako Basta ako tapos na ako mag-pack. Uy, tubig! Una na ako sa iyo, ah. Binalaglag. Teka lang, Ren. Uy, sa bata! Uy, muna. Wait lang. Let's share here. Can you hold it?
Where is...
I feel time. Ay. Manay. Sakto nun. Cut mo na lang. My husband, abo.
Remember to lock the door. Okay, I remember. It's in Tatay.
What is over done? We're not at our house. Babe. Ray. Ay. Joke lang.
Sorry, wag mo na lang pansinin. Just don't mind that.
Ignore it.
You need to lock all the windows.
Sure. Girls!
Close.
Mom's calling us. Wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you forgot your bag.
Oh.
Forgot your other bag.
Wait lang. Lalagay ko na lang yan sa loob dito sa isa para madali kunin. Ako na lang kasi. Ano na daw mag-open sa'yo? Ay. Bakit tayo malagay? Di nakasya ka. Sara mo. Wait. Yeah? Lock all your windows. Okay.
You forgot the light. You forgot the light. Saan kuryente?
Oh my gosh. And turn off the light.
Door, okay. I'm scared.
Ayoko na? Joke lang. Me too.
Let's go quickly.
Huwag kami sa nanay. Let's go to our.
Willick is back so soon. Where's the rest of your crew?